Are you tired of 9 to 5 job? Do you want to make some extra cash without lifting a finger? In this video, I'm sharing 5 ridiculously easy ways to make $100 a day online. No experience, no special skills, just pure laziness and a bit of internet savvy. The first method in our list is affiliate marketing. Are you ready to make money while you sleep? Let's dive into the easiest method on our list, affiliate marketing. It's like getting paid to recommend the stuff you already love, and you don't even need a website to get started. Now let's see how you can get started. The first thing you need to do is to join an affiliate program. You can sign up with companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or even your favorite brands to get unique tracking links. And then you need to post these links on social media, in Facebook groups, in email newsletters, or even casual conversations. When someone clicks your links and buys something, you get a cut. And the reason it's perfect for beginners is that there is no product creation needed. You promote existing products, so no inventory or shipping hassles. And entering this market is very easy. Most programs are free to join, and also you can promote as many products as you like on your own time. Now let me give you some real-life examples. Imagine sharing your favorite skincare routine on Instagram with affiliate links to the products. If your followers buy, you earn. Or maybe you're a gamer. You can share your top game picks with affiliate links on Twitch or YouTube and watch the commissions roll in. And maybe you're someone who loves cooking, so you can buy a new kitchen gadget, film yourself using it, and share the video with affiliate links in the description. Now let's consider the earning potentials for this. The money you can earn could be really different from products to products. There are some people who make a few extra bucks, but there are others who earn a full-time income. So it can depend on your niche, product prices, and how effectively you promote your links. In order to be successful with this, you can start with products or services you genuinely use and love. Your authenticity will shine through and attract more clicks. Also, you can create videos of yourself using and reviewing the products to build trust and engagement with your audience. Let's go to the next method, digital products. Do you want to create something once and get paid for it over and over again? That's the beauty of digital products. And guess what? You probably have valuable knowledge just waiting to be shared. Now let's see how it can be working. This could be many products. For example, it could be an ebook on a topic you know very well. It could be an online course teaching a skill, or you can design some templates, or stock beautiful photos that you take, or even it could be unique fonts you create. You can sell your products on different platforms online. For example, you can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Udemy, or even your own website. So with these digital products created, you can automate the delivery. So when someone buys a product, they can instantly download it and use it. So no shipping is required. Now let's see why it's perfect for beginners. You can use a lot of AI tools that are free to make these products easier for you. And considering the passive income potential, you can earn while you sleep as people purchase your product anytime, anywhere. Now let's consider some real-life examples. If you are a fitness expert, you can create a workout guide or a meal plan ebook. If you know a second language, you can record an online course teaching others. If you've got a knack for photography, you can sell your photos as stock images. Considering the earning potential, it really depends on the quality of your product, its price, and how well you market it. And when you build a loyal following, over time your digital products can become a substantial income stream. For the beginning, you can start simple. You don't need to overcomplicate your first product. You can focus on something you can create quickly and easily. Also, you can offer a free sample or a teaser to entice potential customers. Now let's move to method 3, which is print on demand. Do you love designing cool stuff? With print on demand, you can create and sell custom products without the hassle of inventory or shipping. You can use your artistic skills or hire a designer to create eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and etc. Then you can partner with a print-on-demand company like Printful or Printify to handle production, printing, and shipping for you. So you can sell your products on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Redbubble. Why this business model is perfect for beginners? The reason is that there is no upfront cost. You only pay for production when someone orders. And many of these print-on-demand platforms are user-friendly and can easily integrate with popular e-commerce sites such as Shopify. In this business model, you can have your creative freedom. You can design products that reflect your unique style and interest. Now let's consider a real-life example. You can create funny t-shirts with inside jokes or memes. And also you can design beautiful art prints or posters. Or you're someone who wants to make custom phone cases with unique patterns or codes. Also you can create niche products for some specific fandoms or interests. Now let's consider the earning potential. The profit margins on this type of method can be really high because there are no upfront costs. You can keep a good chunk of each sale. In order to be more successful in this business model, you can focus on trending designs or cater to a specific niche interest. And also, you can offer discounts and promotions to attract more customers. Now let's go to the next method, which is cashback and reward apps. This one is a no-brainer. Cashback and reward apps literally pay you for things you're already doing online. Things like shopping, watching videos, taking surveys, all of this can earn you cashback. You can download some reputable apps like Shopkick and Receipt Hog and activate the app before making any online purchases to earn cashback. Many of these apps offer additional ways to earn, like watching videos, taking surveys, or playing games. I have made a video before that you can check out here, which is about top 10 websites you can earn money by watching videos. So there is no special skills required for this method, and you can also use multiple apps to maximize your cashback potential. Now let's consider some real-life examples. For example, you can get like $10 cashback on your next Amazon purchase. Also, you can earn points for watching funny videos on platforms like Inbox Dollars or Fusion Cash. Another platform you can use is Ibotta to get cashback on groceries and everyday essentials. The earning potential depends on how often you shop and how often you complete the task. It's good to know that this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's an easy way to earn extra money passively. Also, things you can do to maximize your earnings is to look for apps with referral bonuses and also combine cashback apps with credit card rewards for double the savings. Which one of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. I really enjoyed being with you, and until next time, take care, goodbye.